we're going to add a little more to our understanding of locatives. We've already learned that locatives tell us where someone or something is. Now, we already learned that we add a locative by looking at which word version of a word ends in a vowel. So is it the subject, like ilik, or is it the object form, like ilka? And since ilka ends in an A, we can add a W, and that covers for the word in the water. So this sentence has the goose is in the water, lut ilkau. Notice that the word goose is the subject in the sentence. So we have that shorter form of the word. So the goose is lut, and then we just have the locative. So in the water. There's no object in the sentence. The goose is in the water, lut and ilkau. And we use the red to show that it's a subject, and then the blue to show that it's a locative. Let's go back to this sentence. We have the car is on the road. The first time we saw this sentence, we wanted to figure out how to say the word road as a location. So we have the word pel in subject form and peli in object form. And since peli ends in a vowel, it ends in an I, we can add a W. Then we could use that as our locative for the word road. So pelu covers for on the road. So we have the car is the automobile. The car in this sentence is the subject. So automobile is in subject form. Then we have pelu for on the road. That's the locative. And there's no object in this sentence. Now add an object to the sentence. It's going to be in green. We have the man saw a squirrel in the tree. So nono is the subject. It's the word for man, so it's got the short version. Then our object is a squirrel. So when something is happening to it, it's getting seen. We, instead of using the word mau, we use maui. And then we have our locative, which we've already gone over. So when we get to the word tree, we got to choose the version of the word that ends in a vowel, and then we can add a W. And to do that for this word, we have to drop the second, because it's a long vowel U, so we drop that other U and the glottal stop and replace it with a W. Here's another sentence with an object, a subject, and a locative. The man saw the eagle in the sky. So we have nono for man, and he's the subject, so that's the short version. Then we have tashe is the word we used for saw. The object is in green. So we have the word for eagle in object form is wushola. So I added the A there at the end because it's the object. It's getting seen. And then wat lao is in the sky. For this sentence, it says, the bear chased the fox into the log. So we have a subject, the noho, instead of noho on, because he's the doer. So then we have chased for your wallet. The fox, so oucha on, and it's green, so it's the object. Then we have into the log. And so instead of choosing hedish, we choose hedesha and add the W, so it's a location. Let's look at one more sentence. The mother ate dinner at or on the table. Our object in this one is dinner. The subject is mother. And then we have a locative on the table. So we used no'om for mother, konoshena for dinner, and lame sal for on the table. No'om, chatit, konoshena, lame sal.